Mama wakwaba midin ede adwoa searching mesrew na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news. Okatakyie afrifa na okase na okire se wako join the NDC amayoko no aye campaign ede amomoda na wa ben eye omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama so da enti no we hu ni weak point. Inji so omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama wanye steady na NDC youth ni so wanye steady a 2024 one shana we ku omanpani dada je so be wie no kra nti NDC for omo enye careful na Okatakyie afrifa kire se NPP youth no anase NPP echidifo no bebre na enimiyansa se NDC for no sebio because say ye NPP na obi free NDC ebe support omo a anka omo be so nipa no e wosoro but Okatakyie afrifa kire se o free NPP e support NDC no ende ya o kire se omanpende da John Dramani Mahama sebio sanso be president no owu nyama pe bia waka se obeye dia ma oman Ghana ntin wasanso asesa na dwen no ene NDC youth no anase NDC echi difo no omo entia se ende omo asore ede eti ono Okatakyie afrifa no nti o NDC fo no warning se wa ba party ni mu wa be hu omo weak point ene omanpende da John Dramani Mahama so ne na anante da nti so omo aye careful a de ode ye NPP amayoko no 2024 de be bomo so no enye kro be wiwi omanpende da John Dramani Mahama kra ne nti nsema Okatakyie afrifa ede etia
me ye free till today. I am still free with the MPP more than NDC. Tell you, funny enough, some of the Miami interest and eba, I would say, even MPP youth, any such NDC youth to be free. Yes. Because the MPP youth, Nimunyan Sanche NDC, and Kawobiana may what part of them, may ye part of them. Me turning away, they would have made me much more of an enemy than what the NDC people are doing. Momutu menya NDC. Menya NDC da. Metena John Dramani Mahama ni mu hwe ka kire nsa me mitimi nya NDC ensi. My former boss Julius Brabusa, how many times I had to remind him say I can't be an NDC. NC. And me ntwantro wo mpani mfo ni nyina nim say me metena opia ni mu ntwantro nkire no. Owura Collins down in the office me ka kire ne say me MPP ni it won't change. Nothing will change. Okay. But I fought my government head on in the interest of the people, and the people have turned against me. Now, it is a me fight to me government, looking for the best for a year, the month for no. Now, all of a sudden, I'm not even saying it's a campaign for MPP. Neither am I saying it's a campaign at your mama.
Yeah, I know.
Then all of a sudden, the people come after me, and you say I should sit down. You are lying. Afe me hu se majimi. It is a majimi dia, and ye me comedium. Na ma ya adwuma na me ye in 2016 na kire mo se kakra no de enko yo se kan no de aditwa no ewo ho enko. It is NDC you to know focus no be majimi fo bia direct o attention to come after me a. Me kujo mama ukrumu a.
Nana that's
instead of us to fight for the people's interest.
Yeah.
That's a men or modern bayer topical. Me could your mama ukuma.
No.
And they shouldn't forget that I have gotten closer to your mama.
No.
So I know your mama. I know what he's coming to do.
No.
I know the things he intends doing.
Yeah.
And if I start laying these things down for the people, your mama, I'm saying 2024. How I so I'm person they call. If you want to make me an enemy, I'm ready to be an enemy any day.
No.
So I'm person Jimmy. Then we will continue with the fight that we've been fighting for the people. As simple as ABC.
Exactly. But Nana.
Sabio ya kasisika, maybe to you. Mitimi ya juma for over 8 months. Kwani entry America. The XYZ for my own personal reasons. Meti ya ko fix the country. Wouldn't we are aware. Yeah. Takrade. Ekonu baby kobuso oliver. Miami sika ana na mesra se me na fofo eme ye fix the country.
Yeah.
Na Jimmy for to me trust say say no menua ba ko bi kwaku sika to say why yes what he say na me kwaji joma masika na brand new why brand new kabe
na mbese me
brand new kabe me kwaji dai enu am frɛ menua ba ko o MPP ni na so omra me ni nkomo no so adwen oka enti e dey na MPP for dia brewa all of a sudden why you turn so for me share bre na me say what kind of country is this? Oh, what kind of country is this that we put price on almost anything and everything? What is this? What kind of life is this? So can people just have a mind of their own and do the things that they want to do? Then somebody must pay them. Why? I have never taken any money from any politician in this country. in the interest of politics. NDC or MPP. Jomama 2 machine 2 times per. Nifie 1 and Julius Debre Yasi 2. Because you had your mama for what? First day, Michelle, no machine and mechanical chereno. Julius Debre, dear Frank Alon, ye mechanical chereno. As simple as ABC. Michelle will be another. My former boss, Julius Debra, many times the very first day of Fred McCon office, I told him, I can't campaign for John Dramani Mahama. I told him, me nada will be a, me kwaji will be a sika. Julius Debra, my misika, or my misika said, my salary, no, they mammy, or mammy, 1 cedi out of my salary. Or my misika said, you man, be yaman into this kind of mammy, there is nothing like Okoya Jandama move into your Mosca. Fix the country, and say resources the year you are aware.
Yeah.
MPP to a million MPP from head to toe. Anybody bet me, I got one mistika, time I make Coco Dihene, and Oka Zata, and I'm in one contocua, my chief of staff. From Opare. Asa. And no crowd or Mamsika, because you can MPP for other Panocosuka. So somebody sits there and say, and Waka Jessica, Nakatechi, you want to swap with Jessica, Nakatechi, what kind of thinking is this? Is it all about money? Is that all life is about? You think that is all life is about for some of us? But the more victimization is upon their back, the more foolish these people become. Yeah. And I've seen it. The more I keep on saying I want to fight for the people, the more foolish these people become. The more I sacrifice the job I can do, the more I sacrifice my political opportunities, fighting in the interest of the people, the more foolish these people become. So I am at a point where I don't feel like doing the things that I used to do no more.
But I know you know
the energy is gone.
A lot of people look at you.
Yeah, fix the country. The same people who were coming, Okatakyie, we like you, said Ombwa. Ombwa. No, we are this for. No, we are this we like the way you fire the government. Ombwa. So I've come to that realization. So mine is so porous.
Because I know one was say why all of a sudden the turnout ubia obeko social media ubia tia mano ne fa ne camera so ne camera Okatakyie o kana dwuna Okatakyie meanwhile ekro we mu niam ekoso aniam ekoso nya no Okatakyie ntu kwan mfiro man ni mu Okatakyie ejina man ni e kana dwuni e kana Okatakyie to me why all of a sudden I say turnout ubia an Okatakyie say and na mpese mebisa enti Okatakyie obama nipa kakra bi a said you enwini nkwachire enhu the bigger image of what you were doing no obama omo ama obama obu ama wajai ama dodo na nanka wo tini omadwen okwan bi so no wobejai omo ho adwuma ye na kakra
menua baako oyem MPP ni na so omra mi ni nkomo no so adwen okan enti e dey na MPP for the abrewa all of a sudden why you turn so for me share bread na say what kind of country is this? What kind of country is this that we put price on almost anything and everything? What is this? What kind of life is this? So can people just have a mind of their own and do the things that they want to do? Then somebody must pay them. Why? I have never taken any money from any politician in this country in the interest of politics. NDC or MPP. Jomama 2 machine 2 times per. Nifie 1 and Julius Debre Yasi 2. Because you had your mama for what? First day, Michelle, no machine and mechanical chereno. Julius Debre, dear Frank Alon, ye mechanical chereno. As simple as ABC. Michelle will be another. My former boss, Julius Debra, many times the very first day of Fred McCon office, I told him, I can't campaign for John Dramani Mahama. I told him.